in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't open document in Word issues. So if you're having this issue, what you can do is on your computer here in the settings bar, search for settings. So type in settings and open up settings. And once you're here on the settings, select the apps option here. So click on apps. Okay, and once you're here on the apps here, so what we're going to do, look for your Microsoft Word app. So if you have installed the Word, look for Word, or if you're using 365 or Office, just search for it. So for example, in my case here, I'm using Office. Okay, so that's the one. So click on it. So when you click on it, and you'll get this option. And once you click on the modify option, hit yes, and then you will get to this screen here. So here you're going to select this option here called repair. Select repair, and then hit on continue, and this will now do the repair for you. So once this is done, so once you've completed the process, you can restart your system, and that should fix up the issue.